Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Whisper of the Day for May 2nd. Before I get to today's hot stock trades, we got to talk about yesterday. Wow, we hit so many targets yesterday. On the SPY on the short side, the Russell on the short side, the Qs on the short side, AMD on the short side, XLF still moving down right now. OIH on the short side. You guys seeing a pattern here on the short side? Yeah, we are below massive prints. The biggest prints I've seen in a long time on the SPY, 293.80, 293.48. I did tell you to put on some correction yesterday, some protection yesterday, but just as we were going below those levels, that's so key. A lot of times they'll make a new high after we see these large prints, and then they'll bring it down. And as soon as we go below, that's when you go short. You can buy some really cheap puts. If you were in my trading room, I did exactly that. We did very, very well at the end of the day. We're still watching these levels. As long as we stay below these levels, close below these levels, going to be bearish. You know, in the middle of the day, the minions come in and they kind of move everything around. They stop everybody out. But it's all about at the end of the day, right? The last 10 minutes, are we below these levels? If we are and we're making lower lows, well, that's going to be bearish, okay? So today, we're going to be bullish above 294. If we do break above those levels, well, then I'll buy some calls. But as long as we stay below 291.50, right? I'm going to add on to my puts that I have. The QQQs. Today, I'm going to be bullish only above 190, right? We had heavy dark pool prints on the QQQs as well, and I'm going to be bearish below 189. We are also below the 8 exponential moving average. Let me just show you that. On the SPY, on the Russell, on the daily chart, okay? And the Qs, you know, and the DIA. So it becomes a brick wall during the day. As long as we stay below that, that's still bearish. And if I do see any big prints, I'll let you know. Let's go to Qualcomm. Qualcomm had some earnings, and it's been all over the place. It's been up, it's been down, it's pushing up again. So I will be bullish above 87. You can see there's some guys here loaded to sell at that 87 level. So I'm going to be bullish above 87. However, I will turn bearish below 84. Okay, I saw some buyers down there before. See if they're still there. Sometimes they spoof. They put a big order, and then all of a sudden, yeah, I don't see them anymore. Yep, and all of a sudden, they're gone. They don't really want to buy it. We'll see. Okay, that's a key level though, 84. Let's go to Eric. That's my next one on my list. Bullish only above 10 and bearish below 950. You can see on the daily chart there's a 50 simple moving average. So there's a lot of space below that. So if it breaks below, yep, that would be bearish. Square had a lot of prints recently before its earnings. I'm only going to be bullish above 73 because we did have some dark pool activity at 72.86 this week. So I'll be bullish above 73, but bearish below 69. You can see there's no support if we do start to break down there. Let's go to AMD. This is one of the best stocks yesterday when it broke my bear level. Robert in my room, Daniel, everybody was rocking this one. AMD today, I will only be bullish above 28 because we did have dark pool activity yesterday at 27.90. And I will be bearish below 26.50. Okay, that's a key level. Microsoft had massive dark pool activity yesterday, highly unusual. 2 million prints came in at 129.35 and 129.45. Yeah, really big. Right now you can see it's squeezed in between this 4 EMA and the 8 EMA. See that? The pink and black line? Yeah, now you have an algo battle. Yeah, the guys in the pink team are selling and the guys on the black team are buying. And it really needs to break above or below that to move anywhere. But we do have these massive prints. So I'll be bullish above 130. We have to break above them to the next level. If it's buying, we should be able to do that. But if it's selling, we should break below this 128 level. So watch that for Microsoft. Let's go to MU, also on the active list this morning. Also kind of stuck right in that 8 exponential moving average. We're going to be bullish above 42.50 and bearish below 41.87 for MU. Zynga had some earnings. Bullish above 640 and a retracement trade. Bearish below 6. Yeah, I love the retracement trades. It's a trade all the way down to this 4 EMA would be the first stop. And then if it doesn't hold that, the 8 EMA would be the second stop. That's how I get those targets. USO, yeah, starting to break down and bearish below 13. Yeah, I just couldn't quite go above this 8 EMA. See that in the last couple days? Yeah, momentum is starting to turn down. We had dark pool activity yesterday at 13.25. So bearish below 13. I'll only be bullish above 13.25. All right, let's go to XLF. All right, big Fed day yesterday. Wow, you see those bank stocks were all over the place, but they did close weak. So I'm bearish below 27.60 for XLF. Yeah, we really need to break below this 8 EMA. To have a movement down. It's going to find support there at first, but throughout the day it might keep hitting it and break down below, so we'll see. But bullish above 28.04. We had massive prints that came in all week, really. I put them all here so you can see the DP. Yeah, 27.90, 27.92, 28.04, and 27.88. Note, we are below all of them. Okay, so I'd only turn bullish if we broke above. GLD. Yeah, gold had a wild move yesterday. The gold short worked out really well on GDX. I was in that one. Today, we're only going to be bullish above 121.20 for GLD. And I'm going to be bearish below 120 is such a key level. And I just want to show you one thing before I go. Yeah, I always watch the futures, yeah, when I'm trading gold. And you can see we've been pretty much consolidating at this S1 support on person's pivots, right? This like 1272 area. So that's really key. Yeah, before I go short, I'd like to see the gold futures dropping below that. At the same time, GLD is dropping below that big level of 120. So there you have it. Those are your whispers. Until next time, happy trading. That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.